Are you looking for that great little harbor cruise Duffy for family, friends, and entertainment? Then come with me for a quick walk around tour on this 2017 22-foot Duffy Sun Cruiser with the open aft deck. She's got a refrigerator drawer. She's under the Duffy Care program, and she shines like a new dime. Come aboard. Here we are starting off at the bow on this 22 Duffy Sun Cruiser. You notice we have the Duffy Burgee right up front. We've got a nice Samson post right there and the chrome nighttime docking light. Coming down along the port side, we see the Macrolon is nice and clear. That's the hard glass which folds up. And here's a great feature. We have this secondary entertainment area with bench seating on the transom, room for 2 other chairs, and maybe a nice little cocktail table also. So we have guests inside and out. This boat is great for entertaining. Let's go aboard. Once aboard Rubber Duffy, we see we have a nice full view aft curtain along with a folding door. We enter the cabin, down a few steps, and here is the vessel complete in front of us. Down along the port side, we see we have our smart plug, which actually clips in so you know it's secure. We've got the ultra leather upholstery. Right here we have a nice refrigerator drawer for beverages. And under these seats we have lots of room for storage. Moving forward, we see we have a movable cocktail table right there. High shine, nicely varnished, no marks on it. And then moving forward, we see we have another lockable storage area right here. Great place for dishes and bottle rack in there. It's also nicely lit. This gives us a forward facing view. And then down along the starboard side, we've got our seating right here. We have oversized speakers for our upgraded stereo. And as we come aft, we have a nice little counter space there with stainless steel cup holders. We've got drawer storage here, which is lockable. And below, we have a storage cabinet right there. Across the transom here, we have bench seating for 3, maybe 4 people. And at the helm, we have our controller right here. We've got a 110 outlet for whatever you'd like. Nice wood grain steering wheel with a rudder angle indicator. Everything is within easy touch right here. Auxiliary, which would be this plug, floor lights, dome lights, bilge pump, horn, etc., etc. We do have a Marine Series Sony stereo, Bluetooth and iPad compatible, and a nice wood dash right here. This gives us a view from the helm seat, and we can seat 12 of our friends and family for a day out cruising and entertainment on the vessel. Rubber Duffy is a 2017. She shows brand new. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.